If you're wondering how to set permissions for team members in shared vaults, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up permissions like a pro, ensuring your team has the right level of access while keeping your vault secure. The first thing you need to do is log into your account and navigate to your shared vaults. In most software, you'll find this under the Vaults or Team section. Once you're in the vault, you want to adjust. Look for the Settings or Manage Vault option. This is where you can customize who has access to what. Once you're in the settings, locate the Team Permissions or User Access section. Here you'll see a list of all team members who currently have access to the vault. Next to each name, you should see a drop-down or an option to edit their permissions. Permissions typically fall into different levels: View Only, Edit, or Admin. Choose the level you want to assign to each team member based on what they need to do within the vault. For example, if you want someone to only view the contents of the vault without making changes, select View Only. If they need to add or update files, choose Edit. And if you want someone to have full control over the vault, including changing settings and managing permissions, select Admin. Be mindful of the permissions you set, as giving someone admin access could potentially expose sensitive information or allow unwanted changes. On the flip side, restricting someone to view only limits their functionality, which can be useful for users who just need to reference the data without interacting with it. Once you've set the permissions for each member, double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. You don't want to accidentally give someone too much access or restrict them from doing what they need to do. After setting up permissions, don't forget to save your changes. Some software requires you to confirm and apply these settings, so make sure you've completed that step before moving on. And here's a pro tip. Most software will send an email or notification to your team members letting them know their permissions have been updated. It's a good idea to check in with them afterward to ensure they're seeing what they need to see. Key takeaway: setting the right permissions for your team members in shared vaults is crucial for maintaining control while ensuring collaboration. Make sure each member only has access to what they need based on their role. Remember, View Only, Edit, and Admin are the 3 primary options, so choose wisely. To quickly recap, log into your account, navigate to the vault settings, find the Team Permissions or User Access section, assign the appropriate permissions to each member, and save your changes. Before you go, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used in this tutorial. The link is in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and dive deeper into managing permissions for your shared vaults. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.